Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to attach file in Gmail from Google Drive. Friends, while composing email in Gmail, if you want to attach file stored in your Google Drive, then you simply need to open Gmail app and here you need to start composing your email as you normally do. Now we will compose an email. Now to attach a file from your Google Drive, you simply need to press on this attachment icon and here you need to press on insert from drive. Now press on my drive. Now from here select the file. After selecting the file, press on select. Now as you can see, our file is attached to our mail. Now press on the send button to send the email. So friends, like this you can very easily attach file in Gmail from Google Drive. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.